How to use Mucuna pruriens. Mucuna pruriens, also known as Cowitch and Velvet Bean, is a large tropical shrub vine that is a legume like peas and green beans. It is used in a variety of ways, including homeopathic and Ayurvedic medicine to treat Parkinson's disease. It is also used as a fallow crop in farming. In recreational use, its seeds are ground and mixed with milk. It is consumed to induce dreaming or as an aphrodisiac. It can also be consumed as a foodstuff, but only if it is properly prepared and cooked. Things you will need: Mucuna pruriens beans, seeds or seedlings, gram scale, grinder, milk, water, cooking pot, planting farming tools. Consume up to 30 grams of ground seeds and milk to treat the effects of Parkinson's disease as an alternative to levodopa as part of Ayurvedic medicine program. Grind 14 grams or less of the dried seeds and mix with milk for drinking as an aphrodisiac or an inducement to lucid dreaming. Plant Mucuna pruriens as a foliage crop to fertilize and protect fallow fields. Soak the beans and baby plant shoots for at least 48 hours before cooking, changing the soak water several times to remove the toxic compounds like levodopa. It can be toxic if not treated and prepared properly. Feed the beans and seeds to multi-stomached animals such as cows for a protein and fiber-rich food source. Tips. Warnings. Mucuna pruriens is used as a food source in some parts of the tropical world. However, if it is eaten or drunk in large amounts that are improperly prepared, it is highly toxic to humans and animals with only one stomach.